So this can be approached as an algebra question. Two cars leave a town at the same time, but travelling in opposite directions. Car A travels at a speed of 50 kilometers an hour, and B travels at 70 kilometers an hour. How long will it take for the cars to be 200 kilometers apart? So let's just organise ourselves first. We've got car A and we've got car B. We've got our speed, we've got our distance, and we've got our time. So the speeds we know. A travels at 50 and B travels at 70. We don't know their distance travelled individually, but what we do know is that their total distance travelled is 200. Now, the time taken, well, the idea of this question is that they're just travelling in opposite directions, and after a certain amount of time, they are 200 kilometres apart. So each of them travel a distance in a certain distance in a time of t. Now, using what we know about distance, speed, and time, we know that distance is speed multiplied by time. So, therefore, we know that the distance travelled by A is going to be 50t, and we know that the distance travelled by B will be 70t. So, since those two things there add up to 200, we can just say to ourselves, right, okay, 50t and 70t added together equal 200t. Well, that's 120t equals 200. Therefore, t is equal to division, and we get 5/3, which is otherwise appreciated as 1 2/3. Now that time is the units are hours. They're hours since we had our speed in kilometers per hour. So 1 2/3 of an hour is going to be 1 hour and 40 minutes.